Good morning dear students, welcome to the Maths class. From exercise 4.4, we are going to do practical geometry. We have got three models in this exercise. The first model is draw a tangent using center. Sum, question number 12, example 4.29. The second model, draw a tangent using alternate segment theorem. From this, we have question number 13 and example 4.30. The last third model, draw the two tangents using distance. We have question number 14, 15, 16, 17 and example 4.31 in this model. Question number 12, draw a tangent at any point or on the circle of radius 3.4 cm and center at P. First draw your rough diagram. Circle, center O and one tangent line T dash. With O as the center, draw a circle of radius 3.4 cm. Draw the radius OP. P is given already in the question. With P as center, draw a big arc like a semicircle. Now with the same measurement, O as center, draw an arc cutting the big arc at the point Q. Now again with the same measurement, as Q as center, draw an arc cutting the big arc at R. With the Q and R as centers, again with the same measurements, draw the arcs cutting each other at S. Now join SP and extend it. Now SP is the required tangent. I repeat again. With O as center, draw a circle of radius 3.4 cm. Draw the radius OP. P is given already in the question. With P as center, draw a big arc like a semicircle. Now with the same measurement, O as center, draw an arc cutting the big arc at the point at Q. Now again with the same measurement, Q as center, draw the arc cutting the big arc at R. With Q and R as centers, again with the same measurements, draw arcs cutting each other at S. Join SP and extend it. Now SP is the tangent in the circle. What I said now, the same thing you can write as your constructions. You can go through the construction given in the textbook also. Same model is from question number example 4.29 from page number 189. Now let us see the allocation of marks. Rough diagrams 1 marks. Construction 3 marks. Fair diagram 4 mark. Okay, now listen to your question number 13. Draw a circle of radius 4.5 cm. Take a point on the circle. Draw the tangent at that point using alternate segment theorem. This is your second model question. Alternate segment theorem. First look at your rough diagram. One circle and one tangent you got and two chords here. Let's see how to draw. Follow your rough diagram and draw your fair diagrams. With O as center, Draw a circle which is 4.5 centimeter. Draw a circle which is 4.5 centimeter and take a point P on the circle. Take a point P on the circle and mark any two sides Q, R. Mark it as P, Q, R. Let's join these two chords with this P point. Join it carefully. With any measurement, with P as center, cut one arc like this. With any measurement, P as center, cut one arc like this. Again with the same measurement, cut one arc from R. Now measure this length. From here, cut an arc on the previous arc. From here, cut one arc on the previous arc. Now join this. This is what our tangent. This model is your second model using alternate segment theory. What I said now, the same thing you can write as your construction. You can go through the construction given in the textbook also. Same model. Example 4.30, page number 190. Now let's see the third model from question number 14. Draw the two tangents from a point which is 10 centimeter away from the center of a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Also measures the length of a tangent. It is a distance model sum, third model sum. They are given distance as 10 centimeter. Draw the rough diagram. Two tangents, tangent AP and tangent BP, and one circle which is 5 centimeter and the distance is 10 centimeter. Let's follow the rough diagram and draw the fair diagram. With O as center, draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Draw a line OP of length 10 centimeter. OP as length 10 centimeter. Now draw a perpendicular bisector of OP. Take more than half. Cut one arc from P and again cut two arcs on the previous arc from O. Now join these two arcs. Name it as Q, R. Now we got a perpendicular bisector. We can mark it as M. Now with M as center, MO as radius, draw a circle which cuts previous circle at A and B. Now join AP, BP. Here AP and BP are the required tangent. Write the radius of the circle in the imaginary line. Here AP should be equals to BP. I repeat again. With O as center, draw the circle of radius 5 cm. Draw a line of OP, length 10 cm. Draw a perpendicular bisector of OP which meets at M. With M as center and MO as radius, draw a circle which cuts the previous circle at A and B. Join AP and PB. Here AP and PB are the required tangents. Let us find the length of a tangent here. So write verification. PA square is equals to OP square minus OA square. Measure the value of PA square. PA square value I got 8.6 square is equals to OP square 10 square minus OA is 5 square. So 10 square 100 minus 25. 5 square is 25. 8 point square 73.9. It is not an equal value. What I said now and the same thing you're going to write in the construction. You can go through the construction given in the textbook also. Same model is from your question number 14 to 16 and your example 4.31. Now let's see the allocation of mark. Rough diagram 1 mark, fair diagram 4 mark, construction 3 marks. Wrong bola. PA square is equals to OP square minus OA square. PA square 8.6 the whole square is equals to OP 10 square minus OA 5 square. Solve this. 8.6 the whole square 73.9 is equals to 10 square is 100 minus 5 square is 25. I got approximate value here. Let's see the allocation of mark. Rough diagram carries 1 mark and fair diagrams carries 4 marks. Construction carry 2 marks. Verification carry 1 mark. Totally 8 marks. What I said now the same thing you can write as construction. You can go through the constructions given in the textbook also. Same model sum is from question number 14 to 16 and example 4.31. All the best students to get a full 8 marks. Thank you.